This $3 product make my skin look like I drink 3 liters of water a day, and it's what you think. You are using the baby oil the wrong way. Here's how to turn it into your secret glow-up weapon. I stopped using expensive products and started using baby oil. Started using baby oil instead expensive serums and OMG. So let's dive in. Step 1. Did you know that you can get silky hair like this with baby oil? Mix some baby oil with any hair mask and apply it on your hair for 15 minutes and wash it off with some shampoo, then use some conditioner, and then you'll have the softest and silkiest hair ever. Step 2. You can use baby oil to get glowy skin. Just mix some baby oil with some shimmery eyeshadow, and you just made some body oil that will give you a shiny body. Step 3. You can use baby oil to get glowy skin. Now, if you have oily or acne-prone skin, don't use this hack, okay? But for the rest of you, just take some thick moisturizer or balm and apply it on your face. And apply some baby oil on top, and go to sleep, and you will wake up with glowy skin. Step 4. Use baby oil to get long, thick, and shiny nails. Just take some baby oil and apply it on your cuticles, and push them back. You can also apply baby oil on your nails daily, and massage it to get long nails. Step 5. Just moisturize your hands and feet. You can use baby oil to get glowy hands and feet, and apply baby oil on top to seal in moisture. Step 6. You can use baby oil on your lips to get soft lips. You can make your own lip oil with it as well. Step 7. You can use baby oil as a makeup remover. It breaks down waterproof makeup easily. Don't use this if you have oily or acne-prone skin, though. Step 8. You can make a body scrub with baby oil. Just mix some baby oil sugar, body wash, and lotion to make a scrub. Use it to exfoliate and get rid of dead skin. Step 9. You can use baby oil to shave your face and get glowy skin. It helps glide the razor easily on your skin. Just apply some baby oil on your face and start shaving. I hope so this video will help you to achieve soft, glowy skin with baby oil. Now baby oil is not only for babies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or share. Until next time, bye.